Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life of Tree और मैं हूँ Priyanka. This video is going to be all about organizing my pantry. So we have a fairly big pantry and the system I've used to keep this pantry organized has been working for us for 3 years now. And once a year, I make sure that I take everything out of the pantry and I deep clean it all before I put back everything inside. Because our pantry has wire shelves, I've used shelf liners here. These are from IKEA and I like the fact that they are translucent and hence the space doesn't feel super dark and helps light pass through from one shelf to the other. Previously when I put the liners, I didn't buy enough so I ran out of them. So this time I'm going to completely cover the rest of the shelves with the liners. So that this video wouldn't be super long, I took the liberty of bringing everything out of the pantry the night before and I also pushed my dining table away so that I'd have space to record my entire process for this video. When starting with an absolutely empty pantry, I always like to clean first. Guys, this is where you keep your food. खाना जहाँ रखते हैं वो कैबिनेट को साफ रखना बहुत important है so that there are no bugs or roaches or other icky things moving around where you keep your food. So I'm starting by dusting this pantry thoroughly where my hands can't reach or normally I wouldn't clean, and after that I'm just going to wipe all the surfaces with a multi-surface cleaner. Next, of course, I'll be vacuuming and mopping the floor of this pantry, and I'll be getting rid of all the food crumbs and particles that's been collecting for all these months. So dusting, wiping, vacuuming and mopping. These are the steps I take for deep cleaning my pantry. Once that's done, it's time to put the shelf liners. So because I have wire shelving, shelf liners have proved to be quite helpful for me, wherein my containers don't really tumble and fall over. And in case you have flat, regular wooden shelves, shelf liners can also be protective, wherein if there is a food spillage or if there is some scattering of a colored food item, your shelves will remain protected from that and you can just remove the shelf liner, clean it off or just change it if need be. Now, let's talk about organizers. My favorite organizers and the top in my list would be bins. Bins without lids or bins with lids. I organize with bins throughout my house. In almost every cabinet or closet, there are going to be bins. मुझे लगता है that bins can really contain your stuff. I'm not a micro organizer. मैं छोटे छोटे चीजों को भी super organize नहीं करती. Come on, like it's not practical, right? For our day-to-day living. But I feel जब हम bins use करते हैं, you can just categorize your items and put everything in a bin. And when you need something, आप बस वो bin को निकाले and you have your stuff. So it helps you be organized, but then it doesn't take a lot of effort or time. And labeling your items is the best way you can categorize them. Bins के लिए I use labels that I can simply tie or hang with my bins. I am comfortable using my handwriting, but if you want, you can also use a label maker. And for my other containers, I directly write on them, which you'll see eventually towards the later part of this video. So on this side of the pantry, जैसे आप देख सकते हो, I store our extra cleaning products, vacuum cleaner parts, party supplies, kitchen gadgets, and any other non-food items. While I'm organizing any space, I like to prepare for the future. So if there are any shelves that's empty, मैं उनको empty bins के साथ fill कर देती हूँ. That way it looks aesthetically pleasing and there is a designated space for your future stuff. So just a disclaimer here, this video is not sponsored in any way. All the organizers and everything that you see here, ये हमने अपने खुद के पैसों से खरीदा था over the years. So this way your budget really doesn't get affected or hampered, and in due time when you're growing and you're living your life, things change, your lifestyle changes, and that way you can add different organizers or remove different organizers from your life, whichever makes sense to you. Now I've moved on to the other side of the pantry. I'm just reorganizing these bins which are already in their existing categories, decluttering, cleaning up, relabeling, and in short, just going through all of the bins individually. At this time, I also go through any backstock items that we've been collecting in the basement and we kind of shift them to the pantry here. And now I'm organizing our snacks and I just realized we were munching onto a few expired snack items which I immediately got rid of. And this is where I keep all of our extra food items, extra spices, condiments, cereals, dal, chawal, all those things. And the final bin is where I keep all of our plastic bags. In my previous pantry tour video, I was asked this question that where do I keep my existing spices and oils that I use on a daily basis? And this is where I keep them. It's near the gas stove, organized separately, and I have a whole video dedicated to it, which I will share somewhere above on the screen. So please watch that video. And as you can see from my face, I'm super tired and it's time for some lunch. But let me show you my progress till now. I've placed all my bins where they needed to go. And अब मैं जाऊंगी थोड़ा recharge होने. And this is my most important tip, you guys. Don't forget to give yourself a break. Eat, drink when you're doing projects like these. Do not neglect yourself when you're taking care of your house. So मैं चलती हूँ पेट पूजा करने and वापस आके I'm going to finish this project. And now I'm dealing with all these containers with lids. So यहाँ पे already existing जो खाना है, I'm not going to tamper with it. Everything is just going to be the way it is. Thankfully, these containers were pretty clean because we keep cleaning it as and when we refill our food items in them. One less thing to do for me today. मेरे pantry में end-to-end containers सिर्फ use नहीं होते. There is a lot of negative space also. And in this case, मैं यहाँ पे bone broth रख रही हूँ या ऐसे जो cartons आते हैं जो मुझे containers में नहीं डालने या bins में नहीं डालने. In that case, I do use negative space to fill up and then store these items as well. Clear food storage containers are the best. इसमें आपको खाना दिखता है, you know how much quantity you have, you know what's about to get over, what to refill, and so many different types of clear containers are available. I got mine from Amazon, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, some are from Walmart, a lot of these are from the Container Store. And if you're not into plastic, you can also opt for clear glass containers. Like I said earlier, I do not mind my handwriting. So here I've labeled by just writing on these containers. And if you don't want to write on them, you can just use a label maker. One of my most favorite organizing products would be a turntable or a Lazy Susan. जैसे आप देख सकते हो, I already had two of the smaller versions of a Lazy Susan, but they weren't big enough for the pantry or for my containers. So I ordered two bigger ones that fit perfectly on the pantry shelf and literally fit everything I want to fit on top of it. Another tip here, always make sure that you measure your cabinet or your pantry before you're organizing or buying any organizing product. Don't be shy to use something that's not meant to be used that way. For me, it's extremely convenient to use these file organizers to store my Ziploc bags. And now I'm just finishing up by putting any excess items in those empty bins. So here I'm putting away all my candles and diffusers. It's easy for me to access from my pantry if I keep it this way. And now I'm taking care of all the candies. So I do not store my candies with the other food items just to avoid the temptation. So the candies are a little hard for us to reach because of the way I store them. And of course, no project of mine is completed without me giving it a nice, clean look right when I finish it off. And that's what I'm doing here, a bit of vacuuming and mopping. And this is how I store my mop. I have a command hook attached to the corner side of this area of the pantry. So the mop just hangs in there. And I also keep our vacuum cleaner in the pantry as well. There's also a charging point next to it, so it's very convenient. And the step stool is so handy for me, and I store it right in between the pantry and the refrigerator. So here it is, guys. It's finally done. Let me give you a preview of how it looked before. I emptied out the entire pantry to begin with a clean slate for the purpose of this video. And after cleaning, decluttering and refueling my pantry, this is what it looks like now. Organizing to me is a form of art. To get myself to do these projects, which tend to be time consuming and laborious, I try to make it look and feel more like artwork. That helps me stay motivated to continue and maintain any organized space. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you were encouraged or inspired in some way to organize your pantry or any other space. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. Do shower some love to this video and overall to my channel. There are tons of videos already and I love making videos on home projects or anything home related, plants, food and life in general. There are dedicated playlists to each of these categories, and as you can tell, I love organizing, therefore my videos are organized as well. तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. I'll see you soon with some brand new content. Until then, bye.